looking at here is a bristle-side curlew.
Orange rump wimbrel.
Now, where does it go up to Alaska?
Yeah, they breed in western Alaska, mostly in the buff to quite rusty looking rump area.
Good spot here, Nanny.
Light green over blue.
Andy, you want to get a word?
Brown buoy down there. All right. Thank you. In Kona State Park, 3,500 feet elevation.
Franklin's on the right shoulder. Yeah, all the letter E's are an A sound.
How you doing back there, gang?
Fine.
It's really not any less bouncy.
Yeah.
I thought it was one point.
It's up high. Just almost at the top.
They're gonna feel really jealous here, so I'm gonna move down.
Sticking on his breast like a yellow warbler.
It's an orange crown warbler.
This one that's sticking
Yeah, the
up
very
there.
far upper right hand corner. Gentle movement in hula. It also produces pretty good birds. It's a really cool looking
Bill
project.
Alpha is supposed to have given the Hawaiians the idea of the hula with gentle movement. It's a native sundew.
Well, that was
Stick with an arrow.
so. Does everybody
Okay,
get
we
that?
give up. What is it?
Hydrangea.
You know, I was going to say that, but then it's
Lunch stand here. That's breakfast.
It's like his spurs have been cleaned off.
Do you think somebody took them off, or that's just he wore them off himself?
Good question.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is everybody looking at?
I'll tell you what, there's one that's even more spectacular than this, I think, at Maui. Towards where those little pinnacles.
Beautiful Waimea Canyon.
Some birds on the inside of us. Hey David, there's some low-flying birds. Fly up to a quarter of a mile.
Young ones and adults, and then the brown
The water up to a quarter of a mile. What they're trying to do now is they're trying to escape any prey that's coming after them. Right now they think the boat is coming after them.
The Nepali coast.
They were released over here about 200 years ago by a fellow named George Vancouver. Thought he was doing everybody a favor. One of the primary Hawaiian gods used to call his caves his home. Seven Nights, that's where Ann and Harrison got chased by the pirates. Kind of a magical arch in that movie, though. And they did a lot of filming for Dragonfly over here. All the way up the Waimea Canyon, go all the way to the end of the road. Has anybody done that?
Yes.
This is the valley that you look down into if you got out of your car and look down into the valley. How do they know? How do they...
Pardon?
Kilo, it's actually gotten quite a bit larger in the last 20 years. I suspect that top piece will be falling.
Look at him go. Wow, wow, wow.
We can open up the bar a little bit early, so we have beer, wine, and Mai Tais if anybody's interested.
And this is Maui. This is the bay where we will stay. That's the pond where we were going. There's Haleakala up there. Coming into the big island here. Mauna Kea. In the distance. Part of Kona down there. Mauna Loa back there.
Kind of neat to see one feeding an endangered native tree. Amakiti, it's in the upper right hand.
You're real high in the back, Bob. Actually, in some dead stuff, but I think the very top foot of the vine tangle probably blocks you.
Definitely an endangered species, the habitat. Big problem.
Alpha male. What's going on?
Some cars behind it.
Ray Franklin's down there.
They just put a net under the bush.
See those little red spots?
Yeah. Everything's real light, like too pale. You can't see hardly anything. They're all over. There's like 4 or 5 of them on this whole tree.
22 states.
But they give you the theory of volcanism and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, they give you the background and stuff, and they're. Are you filming the windshield wipers there? Green is so. It's nice, right?
observatory on Mauna Kea.
And these turtles seem to be paying a lot of attention to the end of your finger. Obviously, it's an ideal place for snorkeling, swimming, and scuba diving. With the water being clear throughout the year. This is a group I've not seen before. This is a brand new group to me, or at least none from so far.
Island whales.
Then, folks, as I slow down, be sure to hold on to handrails as well. Watch the muzzles with brand new caps. Try and keep your weight as evenly distributed. Now these pilots are capable of diving down about 2,000 feet above. Out here. Female pilot whales have a more rounded, bulbous forehead.
There's the big guy.
Right under the wing. Now watch this. Here they come up. Now notice as you look at them how distinct their dorsal fins are. And we photograph these fins as a way of telling these percussive behaviors, these slapping behaviors these whales exhibit are thought to be a form of communication.
£1,000, John? Yeah, look at that. Wow.
Notice that albino is their skin. They feel very much like the wet energy. Those people at the underwater world I believe that's her there at one foot.
A green turtle in the tadpole. Isn't he a beauty? Checking us out a little bit. That's where he came from, and that's where he's going to go.
Yeah, it's
hot
downright
almost.
hot.
You can't
It
hold
is.
your hand in there.
Hmm.
Same thing there.
Oh, Mile song.
And more of a triangular mask. But, you know, in a
Ooh, that's a nice look.
Kinda good like it is Bill. Oh, wow, 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 wow.
oh, nice.
Very large tree fern here. This is the exit to the Thurman lobster, lava tube. We're actually going in the exit, being contrarians. The Thurston lava tube.
Good one.
Hi, gang. Okay, cut.
Sort of sickle-shaped leaves. And
You see this vertical break in the trees, and then there's a horizontal one midway to the right. See a bird through there? Up very tippy top.
Yeah, just very top.
Oh, there he is.
there's the
Yeah.
capical at Tilly.
Pine siskin note.
Hi, Miss Nuts. Research being done out here on these small birds.
Where it kind of narrows and
Yeah.
points off to
Just
the left.
came back to
Still
the right
there,
a little
it's right
bit.
in
It's
the
within
top of that.
3 inches of the top.
Creeper.
Oh, okay, I see.
In the center.
Hop into the right.
Kind of picking around the limbs and stuff.
Everybody have it?
It's just coming up.
He's out in the open.
What a stunning bird.
It is.
And that's the creeper.
That's a creeper.
Yeah, there were at least
tiny,
2.
short bill.
You're picking the flowers.
Yeah, occasionally. Doing a little of everything.
This is our group waiting for the melodious laughing thrush to show. For Kent.
That's right. Thank you.
Those are aerial roots on an ohia tree.
No.
Well, we're
that's
just
a good
about to
one.
pass the big bump here.
Not only did this forget his receipt, but the car in front of him told the lady that he forgot.
It breaks very easily, but Pele's hair is sort of the nickname for it.
Haley's hair, thank you.
Pele's toothpick.
So what's the brownie stuff called?
Hoi hoi hoi.
Boy, oi, and
It's actually
that over there is ah
That's uh-oh.
ah.
And those are the scientific names for them. Hoi hoi. Yeah, this stuff, I mean, this is
No, the pictures.
Uh-uh.
No, you can't, I would
Ooh.
just grab a hold of it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
So sharp.
Sharp.
There's the real deal.
I've never seen
hydrochloric acid steam.
The daughter up there. This road used to go through, by the way.
Looks like there's a very shallow shelf coming down there.
Boy, look how pale those tails are. Wow.
Those cave, not the big bar cave. The closer, flatter one.
Group going out to see the lava flow. That is our destination.
Oh!
She's looking up the mountain where the lava is coming from. There are a lot of people here looking at this spectacle. What was your favorite event of the week?
My favorite event? Just getting out early in the morning at Volcano House, just watching the birds.
Jan?
Tonight's lava.
You like that lava flowing into the ocean?
I said I'm still looking forward to my best experience on Hawaii.
You are? Are you having had a good one?
Oh yes.
Too many.
You'll probably be having your own room again.
Getting a different roommate.
I can't pick just one. There were too many.
Well, name one.
Probably a combination of the lava flow tonight and seeing that Aki yesterday.
Seeing the Aki,
The
huh?
Aki was great.
Good.
Oh, I think just getting to know this group.
Now wait a minute. We want truth.
That's right.
I like the iwi.
I liked the best. The Iwi, I think I liked. He was a great little bird all over. That was wonderful. And the lava flow tonight was outstanding. It's one of my top 10 experiences.
You telling us about your misguided youth. Cheers.
Okay, Rick, what was your favorite book?
My favorite was seeing those tropic birds twirling and their tails fluttering in that crater yesterday, wasn't it? Yeah, that was wonderful. That was mine.
Single most exciting moment was the red-tailed tropic bird.
Cool.
Just
Especially
having
when you
another
called it.
tropic bird coming and then going, oh my god, it's a red-tailed.
What was your favorite moment of the week?
It's probably the coconut tart last night.
All right.
Kind of gauged my days by the meals.
My favorite moment was I really enjoyed up there in those higher mountain forests, finding all those happy birds, you know, making all that racket.
Well, that was very special, wasn't it?
I really enjoyed going up in those forests.
And John?
Audrey, what was my
What was